Well, Alicia, listen to this stat here. 81% of the state is abnormally dry. Here in Mecklenburg County and the surrounding counties, we're in moderate drought, which means that wildfires are at a higher risk. And places like this, the Little Sugar Creek Greenway, are going to have a little bit of a less of stream flow. That's why there's now a state ban on burning, and local cities and counties are doing the same. Here at the Concord fire station, for the most part this season, they've been lucky.
So we haven't specifically responded to any more fires in the last day or two, but I know Cabarrus County responded to a couple brush fires up on Gold Hill Road.
But the conditions aren't improving. North Carolina is bone dry. All rain gauges in the area are at 0. South Carolina isn't much better. 73% of the state is abnormally dry.
But when I came by today, I noticed like the water level was low. I didn't see as many creatures.
In light of the wildfire burning down Pilot Mountain, the state issued a burn ban, and now local municipalities are following suit.
I was actually in my backyard. My husband and I were raking up some leaves, and I remember checking my iWatch, and something said it was going to be burn advisory. And I was like, really? I thought that was kind of odd.
The state ban applies to burns more than 100 feet from buildings. Ones at the local level cover 100 feet and in.
Without that 0 to 100 feet ban, people would still be able to have fireplaces and outdoor chimeneas or fire pits, if you will.
While the dry weather puts stress on fire stations, it helps other agencies like Charlotte Stormwater.
The thing is, with the dry weather, it's allowing our crews to get into the creeks safely. And maybe we're doing a restoration project, so we're able to do that. Or maybe we're cleaning debris out.
What a difference a year makes. November of 2020, Charlotte was recovering from historic flooding, and now we're begging for a little rain.
You know, we do need a balance. We'll have to pray for rain.
And while that story was running, a fire truck just went by behind us, hopefully not responding to a fire. But here are the counties and cities that currently have a burn ban in effect. I'm going to read them off to you. We've got Newton, Union County, Catawba County, Lincoln County, Concord, and Gaston County. And those are just the ones that we were able to check in with and see if they had a burn ban going on. So if you haven't heard your city or county included in that, it's probably best just to exercise caution. Reporting live in Charlotte, I'm Morgan Francis, Fox 46.